Hey everyone, I'm Tom Aaron, Head of Product here at Mighty Networks. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to sell access to membership, courses, and groups in a Mighty Network using our payments feature. A Mighty Network enables you to charge for community membership, mastermind groups, courses, or a bundle of these offerings. With a Mighty Network, people must be members of your community in order to access the paid groups, courses, or bundles that you provide. You can make membership in your Mighty Network public, private, secret, or paid. Then, create plans for the things you want to sell. A plan describes what's for sale and how it's priced. And there are two types of plans. You'll sell external plans to people who are not yet members of your Mighty Network. And you'll sell internal plans to existing members of your Mighty Network. For any plan, you can charge a one-time payment or a subscription, billed monthly and/or annually. You can even offer hidden plans that are only available via a link. Let me walk you through how all of this works. We'll start with an example of a paid Mighty Network. Every Mighty Network comes with a fully customizable landing page. It's a beautiful place to show off what your Mighty Network is all about. You can see it has a large area for a video, lots of opportunity to add images and formatted text. And now, since this is a paid Mighty Network, in this section at the bottom you can see the external plans I've chosen to make visible. I'm offering these to people who are not yet members of my Mighty Network. You can think of your network landing page as a storefront for all the visible plans that you're selling. So these payment plans are how you're going to sell membership in your Mighty Network, membership plus an online course, membership plus a mastermind group, membership plus a bundle of courses and groups, whatever you decide. All of these external plans include access to your Mighty Network. As you can see on these cards, you can sell any of these as one-time payments, like this plan here for $249, that is a bundle of network membership combined with a course, or this bundle of multiple courses and network membership for $7.99. Or you can sell plans as subscription memberships, billed monthly and/or annually. For this membership plan here, I'm selling network access as a subscription starting at $15.99 a month. And we're going to check out more about this plan in a moment. You can view what's included in each plan by clicking on the card to reveal a flyout. Here you see I get access to the California Architects community and 3D modeling basics with a large call to action. There's an area for a main video or image, the What You'll Get section that breaks down the items included in this plan, and a list of the network hosts and instructors of this course. A fully customizable description area with images and formatted text, and at the bottom, a key list of benefits that I get if I purchase, as well as a clear breakdown of the price. Okay, let's go back and look at that subscription plan. Here you see the flyout again, but because I'm offering monthly and annual subscription pricing, both prices are shown here at the top. We even show off any discount someone receives if they subscribe annually. And if I scroll down to the price breakdown at the bottom, I see an additional toggle that highlights the discount they would receive if they purchase annually. Let's go back to the bundle of membership plus my 3D modeling course that we were looking at earlier. Here's something we're really excited to offer. For every external plan, you get a standalone landing page with its own unique link to share from an email, social media, or another marketing channel. Let's check out what one of those looks like. Okay, just like we saw in the flyout on the main network landing page, we see a landing page here with the same information. But we've increased the size and the shape of things to accommodate the larger page, including a larger header area, larger text and titles, and images. Landing pages are not just for visible external plans. You also get landing pages for hidden external plans that you don't want to make visible on your main network landing page. You could use these for bundles or pricing that you don't want to make public. If you want to make your Mighty Network public, private, or secret, you'll still get a landing page for the network. But to sell courses and groups, you'll create internal plans. You'll also sell internal plans to existing members of your paid Mighty Network. Let's take a look at how this works. This is the course page inside a Mighty Network. You can see all the courses listed here, including the ones that are offered through plans. These are internal plans because in order to purchase them, you have to be a member of the network. Internal plans allow you to sell access to a course, a bundle of courses in groups, or just a group. You can sell any of these as one-time payments, monthly memberships, and annual memberships, just like external plans. Here, this card at the top is showing a bundle of multiple courses, and these cards below are individual courses for sale. If I click on one of these, you can view what's included in this course and in the associated plan on this flyout. Here you see I get access to 3D modeling basics. There's a large call to action button and another button for more buying options, which will scroll me down to a section at the bottom that we'll cover in a moment. There's a large area for a main video, some information about the course and the instructors, a fully customizable description with images and formatted text, and a list of key benefits I'll get if I purchase, and a clear breakdown of the price. And here at the very bottom is a section for other buying options that give you access to this course. And here you see the bundle that we saw earlier on the course page because the course I'm looking at is also included in this bundle. Okay, going back to the Courses tab, note that members can filter courses by a few options. The All tab, which is the default, Newest tab, and the Yours tab. The Yours tab shows the courses a member already has access to. And there are two types of course cards. One for members that have not purchased yet, and one for members who have purchased access to the course. Here you can see a course I've already purchased. And just like external plans, you can also offer hidden internal plans for bundles or prices you don't want to make visible publicly here on your courses page. And when you create them, you'll get a link to share. And another important note, all the experiences we've looked at here with courses are the same for groups. Now let's say you want to share a link to an internal plan, it could be hidden or visible, to someone who is not a member of your Mighty Network. If your network is private or secret, you'll need to alert them that they're going to be prompted to create an account for your Mighty Network before they can access the plan. If your network is public, non-members will be able to view the plan inside your network before creating an account. Okay, one special case to note. If you want to make your Mighty Network public, and so open to everyone and anyone can join, but you also want to promote your plans on your main network landing page, and get standalone landing pages for your plans, like we've talked about, you have a really good option. First, create a network membership plan and set the price to free. Then, you can create additional bundles that include the network membership, plus a course or group or multiples, and you can charge for them. But everyone will be able to get access to your network for free. When people show up to your network landing page, they'll see the free membership as well as the bundles you have for sale.